Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block spam messages in the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Then we can just swipe to the right, scroll down, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Here in this section, we can tap on privacy and safety. And then we can tap on direct messages. And here in the direct messages category, if you scroll down to the bottom, we find filter low quality messages. If we have this turned on, it means that the app is going to just block spam messages or messages that have been detected as being low quality. And if we turn this off, then we can just leave the messages as they are and decide for ourselves if they are low quality or not. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.